A breathtaking lake with sparkling blue water, surrounded by lush green trees swaying gently in the breeze. The golden sunlight filters through the leaves, casting dappled light on the soft, grassy shore. A cheerful turtle with a vibrant green shell and a big, friendly smile walks slowly along the shore, his large brown eyes filled with joy. Beside him, two large, friendly geese stand with bright white feathers, orange beaks, and expressive black eyes. One goose has a small, curved feather on its head, while the other has a slightly darker ring of feathers around its neck. They stand close together, chatting like best friends, enjoying each other's company. The once full lake is now shrinking, its clear blue water receding under the scorching sun. The ground near the shore is cracked and dry, with deep lines spreading across the parched earth. The turtle, standing near the shrinking water, looks worried, his big eyes filled with concern as he glances at the cracks in the ground. His once joyful face now shows sadness. The geese stand beside him, their wings slightly raised, exchanging concerned looks. Under the warm afternoon light, the geese stand on the dry lakebed, their expressions brightening as an idea forms. One goose picks up a sturdy wooden stick with its beak, its wings slightly spread in excitement. The turtle, standing before them, listens intently, his eyes wide with both curiosity and nervousness. The stick is thick enough to support his grip but light enough for the geese to carry. The sky is a brilliant blue with a few wispy white clouds scattered across it. The turtle tightly bites onto the middle of the wooden stick, his eyes wide with both determination and excitement. The geese flap their wings powerfully, lifting off the ground. As they ascend, the landscape below stretches out, revealing lush green forests, winding rivers, and small villages with thatched roof houses. The turtle dangles in the air, his little legs tucked in, resisting the urge to speak. As the geese and turtle fly over a bustling village, people on the ground point up in amazement. Children laugh and wave, their eyes wide with wonder. A few villagers gather, shading their eyes with their hands as they watch the unusual sight. The turtle, feeling proud and important, glances down at them. His eyes widen with temptation, he wants to respond. His mouth twitches as he starts to forget the rule. The geese, focused on flying, keep their beaks firmly shut, knowing the risk. The turtle's mouth opens as he begins to speak, and in an instant, he loses grip of the stick. His eyes widen in terror as he tumbles through the air, his limbs flailing. The wind rushes past him as he falls, spinning downward. Just before he hits the ground, he lands with a soft plop into a muddy pond. The impact sends ripples across the murky water, and a few startled frogs leap away. The turtle, now covered in mud, blinks in shock before realizing he is safe. The geese land beside him gracefully, smiling with relief. The turtle sighs, nodding in understanding, he has learned his lesson. The moral of the story is, silence is wisdom. The tale teaches us that sometimes, it is better to remain silent than to speak impulsively.
Enjoyed the story? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to H&N Station for more fun and inspiring kid stories.